In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo on video InShot. So you can download InShot on any app store that you have. Tap on video and select a video from your gallery. So in here, there are 3 ways to add a photo on your video. So the first one is by clicking on the plus sign and select video and photo, and you will be directed to your gallery and choose a photo from your gallery. So as you can see at the bottom, the photo has been added to your video. So you can hold and press that photo and put it in front or after the video. And then the second way to add a picture is by clicking on that PIP icon. And again, select a photo from your gallery. So as you can see here, the photo is now on top of the video. And you can adjust this photo depending on what size you want or where to put this one. And then the last way to add a photo is by clicking on the text icon and then tap sticker and click on the image icon. Tap on import and you can now choose a photo from your gallery. And again, you can edit and resize this photo. And that's it, guys. That's how to add photo on video InShot. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.